it's Nicole here, and I'm answering another one of your questions, this time about pronunciation. One of my students asked about the difference in pronunciation for C, and that sometimes the C is a soft sound like a S, while other times the C is a hard sound like a K. And my student wanted to know when to use which sound. That's a really good question, and I think all of you can benefit from the answer. So are you ready? We have what we call a hard C and a soft C. The hard C is the k, k, k sound, like a K, I suppose. And we always pronounce the hard C k when it's before an A, so C-A, like Cambridge or Canada or candle or cartoon or even car. Can you see? It's C-A, so it's a K. Next, we've got the hard C sound when it's followed by an O. So when it's C-O, like cost, or cow, or comet, or maybe even air conditioner. So that's the K sound, the hard C sound. We also have the hard C sound when it is followed by an R. So C-R, like crack, or cradle, or cross, or maybe even crumble, C-R there, the hard C sound. And finally, when it's followed by an L, so C-L, like clock, or close, or even close, or classroom, or clever. So those combinations, C-A, C-O, C-R and C-L will always be the K sound. Next, we've got the soft C. Sounds like an S. S. And we always pronounce a soft C before an E. So C-E would always be S. Cereal, or scent, or certain, or even central. We always have a soft C before an I. So C-I, something like circus, or circle, or pencil, or citizen, perhaps. And finally, we always have a soft C when it's before a Y. Whether it's at the beginning or the end of a word doesn't matter. But if you have a Y following the C, it will always be a S, a soft C sound. Fancy, or cyclone, or cynical, or maybe even emergency. So there you go. You've got your hard C and your soft C. And you know when to use them. I really hope that helps. Some really simple rules. For once in English, there are some simple rules and no exceptions. Yay! Have a wonderful day and practice your hard C and your soft C pronunciation. Thanks for listening. Bye.